In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a document from Dropbox. This will help you save important files directly to your computer. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in Dropbox in the search bar. You can use any browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. As you type, you will see search suggestions. Click on the search button or hit enter on your keyboard. This action is crucial because it connects you to the Dropbox website, where you can access your documents. You will soon see a list of search results on your screen, showcasing Dropbox's official site among others. Next, click on the correct link that leads to the official Dropbox website. It's important to identify the right link to avoid phishing sites. You want to ensure you are on Dropbox.com. Once you click the link, you will be taken to the Dropbox homepage. This is where you will begin the process of logging into your account. A good practice is to check for a secure connection indicated by a padlock symbol in the address bar. Now, it's time to log in. Locate the Sign In button at the upper right corner of the Dropbox homepage. Click it, and a login form will appear. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your password, there's an option for recovery. Logging in is essential because it allows you to access your stored documents and files securely. After you enter your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. You will be directed to your Dropbox account where all your files are organized. At this point, navigate to the folder containing the document you want to save. You will see a list of folders and files in your Dropbox account. Take your time to browse until you find the correct folder. This step is significant because it ensures you locate the right document you wish to download. Once you find the folder, click on it to view its contents. This process helps maintain organization within your Dropbox account. Once you're in the correct folder, hover your mouse over the file name of the document you want to download. A small Actions menu will appear on the right side of the file name. This menu shows various options available for that file. Hovering over the file name is a simple yet effective way to prepare for the next action. It ensures that you are ready to initiate the download process seamlessly. Next up, click the three dots, also known as the More button, located on the right side of the file name. This action opens a drop-down menu with additional options for your file. It's important to click this button because it reveals the specific action you need to take to download your document. You will see several options, but we are focusing on the download feature. Finally, click Download from the drop-down menu. Your browser will automatically save the file directly to your computer's Downloads folder. This step is crucial as it finalizes the process of obtaining your document. In just a moment, you will see a confirmation or a download progress indicator on your screen. Once the download is complete, you can access your document anytime from the Downloads folder. And there you have it. You now know how to download a document from Dropbox. This skill is valuable for managing your files efficiently. Enjoy your newly downloaded document.